Rob, the last two sides that failed to score against Gibraltar were the Faroe Islands and Grenada. That's the kind of company we're in this evening, and I think you'll agree that's simply not acceptable.
We created chances. We've given players opportunities to get on the pitch, so that's why we took the fixture. They give us an opportunity to give others that have been in amongst the squad some minutes, and we found them really hard to break down. And we accept it's not acceptable. And we have to move on and get prepared, ready for Sunday.
I know perspective will be important. It's a friendly, like you've just mentioned. The importance was giving players opportunities. But do you feel like they made the most of that opportunity tonight, Rob?
Well, it's over to them. I think there's a few that have done really well. Lewis has come on for 15-20 minutes and given a good account of himself. He's had a great shot on his left foot and he's worked great without the ball. There's a couple of others that might have to look at themselves with regards to work rate off the ball, but all the work we've done all week, we could not find those pockets. We couldn't switch play quick enough to get in those pockets to try to get our shots off and hurt them. And it's something we look at. We'll learn from it.
In terms of the attack, you brought on Dan, Kiefer, and Brennan.
Yeah.
Was that a part of the plan, or was it a statement?
Always part of the plan. Always part of the plan. They wanted minutes ready for Sunday's game. So I wanted to play Culls as a 9 because he's done it for Swansea. We all know what Ruben's capable of doing. A little bit ill-disciplined in the shape first half. We wanted him to stay and play with Culls a little bit higher up the pitch. We're disappointed. We're disappointed that we haven't broken them down and got the goal. We've created enough chances to win it, but we just couldn't get that opportunity.
Slovakia will be a completely different test, Rob, but is it fair to say you'll be expecting a lot more from your team?
It'll be a different team, Sinead. It'll be a different team. There's a reason why we picked that team tonight. I could tell you a multitude of things and they come across as excuses, but we've picked a team tonight that have been in the squad for a while and earned that reward to play to give us a headache and an option then for September's camp.
I know it's been a difficult period. We're coming off the disappointment of not qualifying for the Euros, Rob. This obviously won't help any criticism. What would your message be? Well,
we heard it loud and clear. All the players heard it loud and clear at the end. So it is what it is. I said to the players, when you're successful, and they have been from 2016 to qualifying for the Euros, then a World Cup, expectation is that we should automatically qualify. It's not that easy. We were a penalty kick away. I've used this game as an opportunity to give some squad players. I'll take the criticism. Don't criticise the players. I'll take it. That's fine. No problem. But we know what we're doing in the changing room. The players, they're all on board, and we'll just move forward, Sinead.
Rob, diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr.